Hello, Ollie from Beat Goes On here, hope you're good. Just a bit of a demo on how to do this one. Beautiful stuff. So if you cup your hands, so they're like this, and you kind of cup them together, like when you scoop water up from a sink, you've got to cup them. So they're not flat, they're cupped. And some people like to kind of bring their hand down a bit because it's going to be focusing on the airflow coming out of this little gap there, that little gap I'm just pointing to. So once you've got your hands like this, if you clap them next to your cheek, you should feel a little puff of air hitting your cheek. Lovely stuff. Once you've got that, get your mouth nice and big as possible, and you're clapping the air into your mouth. You're breathing normally, but clapping the air into your mouth. Give it a go. So by doing all those different sounds, I'm kind of changing the shape of my mouth. I'm kind of moving my throat around a little bit. And with a little bit of practice, see if you recognise this. Mr. Salmon, excellent stuff. Keep in touch, Beat Goes On. See you later.